Okay, so let's set up your WSL to be configured as an environment for development, no? So, si Ubuntu kasi naka-setup na. So, let's try to run yung Kali Linux. Ito, fresh install lang to para lang ma-demo ko sa inyo. Okay, Mobiles HD Kali Linux. Sige, clear lang natin ito. Clear. Okay. First things first is you have to go to your home directory. So cd/ muna tayo. Ayan. And then normally, yung ating home directory should be cd home followed by your username. So ito yung aking username. So wala pa tayong naman. Okay. So in order for us to view this using Windows Explorer, yung command lang natin dyan ay explorer.exe and then followed by period or dot. So this will open it up dun sa ating file explorer. Okay, but pang ano lang to, pang double check lang. So let's use yung mga commands na napag-aralan natin. mkdir, make directory, let's create 3 folders, one for Python, mkdir, one for Java, and then mkdir, one for web project, assuming web yung track nyo later. Okay, so ls lang tayo. So hindi na-create yung Java, ls mkdir Java. Yes. Okay, ito na. Ayan. So check natin, explorer.exe. We should have 3 folders inside our home directory. So Java, Python, and web projects. Okay, so let's start with yung installed na, no? By the way, if you want to view what is already installed, so app list install. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga package na naka-install. So don't forget the keyword, yung sudo, para you can run it as admin. User. Wala pa talagang naka-install. Let's try to use Python. Python 3. So merong Python. Exit. Java. Wala talaga tayong Java. Okay. So let's start with Python muna, no? So cd Python. python. So let's tayo dito. So as you can see, blank pa yung ating folder. Let's use touch na lang to create a file, demo.py. Okay, let's list natin. So meron tayong one file. So take note, in order for you to start coding, pwede natin gamitin si VS Code. No? This would be the standard for coding, no? For your source codes. So code, period lang yung katapat niyan. Then let's just wait lang natin matapos si VS Code for the coding. Once we're done, ito, ang mapapansin natin dyan is, yes, trust the author. No, ito yung ating remote connection, Kali Linux daw. And then we already have the file here. So maglagay lang tayo ng print. Very simple, hello. Print. Welcome to Python. Using WSL. Okay. So you don't need any third-party apps. All you have to do is to launch the terminal. So shortcut na Control-Shift-tilde. So ito na yung ating compiler. So very simple lang naman, no? Python lang yan. Python 3. And then the name of the file, which is demo.py. So ito yung ating output. So ready na yung ating environment for Python development. Okay? So next lang tayo dito. You can actually close it. Maraming problema yan. Naka-auto save. So cd muna tayo dito. cd Java. So ito yung ating next. cd Java. Of course, for Java, medyo kakaiba ng konti. Install muna natin. Sudo apt install open default ba? Default. What's the code there again? Default. JDK. Install open default JDK. Wala. Default GRE muna dala. Bakit wala? Default GRE. Check ko muna kung connect tayo sa internet. Java. Okay, ayaw niya magpa-install kasi sige, update muna tayo. CLS sudo apt install update. Yan, pag ayaw mag-install, meaning to say baka hindi pa updated yung ating WSL or yung Linux version natin. Hindi pa nga, hindi na-download. Okay, pinos ko lang para hindi sayang yung inyong bandwidth. So, sudo upgrade na tayo. Upgrade. Okay, install. So yung app list would return yung mga packages that are already installed. As you can see, meron tayong Python done, F, Python. Ayan, so meron tayong Python. So ang kulang na lang natin ay si Java. So try natin, sudo apt install. So yes lang natin to, GRE. Okay, and then sudo apt install yung JDK naman. Sudo apt install open JDK. Yes lang natin. And then after the installation, let's try to check if Java is already running. Java lang natin. Okay, gumagana, no? So we can now start coding. So code period ulit para makapag-code na tayo in Java. Okay, so dito tayo sa Java code. Wala pa pala tayong file, no? Sige, gawa na tayo ng bago. Control N demo.java. Mali, Control S pala, sorry. Demo.java. So, yeah, install lang natin tong recommended extension para meron tayong guide. Okay, so after we have installed yung JDK, check mo natin. So, okay, so meron na tayo. Let's go to our folder, Java, cd Java. And then let's try creating our files. So, sige, touch na. Touch demo2.java. And can I start coding using VS Code? Code period. Wait for VS Code to open. Demo2. Java. Yeah. Demo2. Okay. So let's create our program. Class lang, no? Always starts with class. Class. Demo2. Static with main. Then say same thing, system.out lang. Hello, Java. If you're going to compile, Java. name is demo2.java. Then let's run java demo2.java. So we have our output for Java. Okay, next is, by the way, naka-auto-save ako guys, no? So hindi ko na kailangan mag-save. I can close this right away. So ls, so meron tayong dalawang file dyan. Okay, yung class and then yung ating file. So good start. So cd web project na projects. Alas mo na yan. Ayun, sa loob tayo ng Java. cd web project s ls. Ulit ko lang lahat ng mga to. rm asterisk so gawa lang tayo ng template touch. So let's create index.html at saka pwedeng minsanan lang yan guys, no? Index and then style.css. Na start coding. So code lang tayo ulit. Code period. Okay. So nandito na tayo sa ating web projects. Index and then our style. So natin si index. Click na tayo. So web page demo. Page 1 web page demo. Wala tayo ng link. Okay, pumunta kay home. So this would be index.html, index.html, index.html. So home, about us.html. Let's just place a simple P na lang dito. P na Lorem Ipsum. Then let's create. Mamaya natin create yan, ha? So we can run a web server here. So Python 3 -m and then the name of the script, that server, port 8000. So we can now view this. Control Shift tilde. Control Shift tilde. The parts, no? Localhost. It's running already. So ito yung ating web server. Pesto lang natin dun sa LED. Okay, so home at saka about us. So if I click this, yan. Index. Ito, wala, no? As error 404 kasi nga page not found. Let's try to create that. As create file. Okay lang yan. Let me just copy this. Entire content. Control A, Control C. About us, Control V. And then let me change this to about us. Then tagal na natin ang content. Alt Z, yan. So another P, another Lorem Ipsum. Save lang natin. Okay, refresh. So na tayo page 2, home, about us. Let's try to add a view style. So sige, yung ating body, yung ating font family. Okay, relax lang. Body, font family. Pili lang tayo ng so okay. Oh, sorry. And then color natin ay gray. Okay. yung each one. Each one. Each one. Tingnan natin. Color. Color. Tingnan natin. Dark. Blue. Sige, refresh na natin. Home. Tsaka about us. Okay, so hindi pa gumagana, no? Because we haven't included yet our link. Just this. Okay, link style. Okay. And then style. Ang spelling pa yung style ko, no? Pero sige, pagbigyan na natin yan. SY. SY.
Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
Hayaang buksan ang isipan.
S.
Balance o agham.
Yung ating about us. LinkedIn. Link. Yes. So let's refresh. Okay, so gumagana na yung ating style sheet. About us. Okay, so andito yung responses ng ating web server. So of course, if you terminate your web server, yan, wala na to. Hindi na siya maglo-load. Home. Page not found yan. So kailangan tumatakbo yung web server natin so that we can access our website. Okay, so that's for web development. And then of course, sige, terminate na natin to. Here. So marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin, no? But for the meantime, yung tatlong muna. So just a recap. So if you want to view this inside your Windows Explorer, ang ating code lang ay tinatype by explorer.exe tapos followed by period. Papakita na yan dapat. Okay, so ito yung sa Windows, no? And then, function, paano nga pala ako? Okay. Naka-mechanical keyboard. Sorry guys. And then, if you want code, yan lang. Code, period lang ang ating execute. Code, execute. Ito ba yung period? Parang hindi Magapang. Okay. So, ito yung ating code. Okay. So, close lang natin to. Delete. So, you have to make sure that you terminate your WSL. So, let's just check kung ano yung mga tumatakbo. List, running. Okay, tumatakbo si Kali Linux. So, we have to terminate that. So, WSL terminate. And then, the name of the distribution, which is Kali Linux. Okay, then list natin ulit. Okay na yan. Default na yung tumatakbo. So that's it for today's lecture, no? So tatagdagan pa natin to later on as we progress with setting up WSL for development. So if you have any questions or queries, don't be afraid or don't be shy to ask, and we will try to set up WSL to suit your needs later on for your other subjects, no? Okay. Bye.